This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade fudge. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk, and about 12 ounces of chocolate chips. Also, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process and easy removal of your finished fudge later on. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking much more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed 3-quart saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until a candy thermometer registers precisely 234 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect fudge consistency, so keep a close eye on your thermometer. Once your mixture reaches 234 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Quickly add your 12 ounces of chocolate chips and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Do not stir yet. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then begin to beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or electric mixer. Continue beating until the fudge thickens, loses its glossy appearance, and starts to set. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, creating that creamy texture we all love. Finally, it's time for the last steps before enjoying your homemade treat. Pour the warm fudge into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan and spread it evenly with a spatula. Allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature for at least 4 hours or even overnight to ensure it sets perfectly. Once firm, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Then, cut it into delicious 1-inch squares. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, creamy fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.